Welcome to Kalpa's Khazana, and in this video we are going to make Maggi pizza. Add 3 cups of water, 3 packets of Maggi, After 2 to 3 minutes, add the taste makers. Salt as per taste. 1 spoon of chilli powder. And mix well. Now add half cup of cornflour. You can also dilute it and add. Mix it well and clear the lumps. Continuously stir it. Off the stove once it becomes sticky. Set it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Now take a pan, grease it with oil. Now add the Maggi and make a thin layer. When you're done, on the stove and add 3 tablespoons of pizza sauce and spread it. Add chopped onions, chopped capsicum. You can add veggies of your choice. Add mozzarella cheese. Around half spoon pepper, 1 spoon chilli flakes, close the lid and let it stay on a simmer flame for 10 to 15 minutes. And the yummy Maggi pizza is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.